Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to cover current affairs related to science and technology. So let's start with the first question. Where is India's first tempered glass facility being inaugurated? The answer is C. Noida. Who has developed India's first genome-edited rice varieties? The answer is D. ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. Next, where was India's first biopolymer facility launched? The answer is B. Kumbhi, Uttar Pradesh. Which country launched world's first 6G device? The answer is B. Japan. Where is India's first computing village being established? Answer is B. Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Where has India's first indigenous fast breeder reactor launched? The answer is A. Kalpakkam, Tamil Nadu. In April 2025, which country built a 3D printed railway station in 6 hours? The answer is D. Japan. Which space agency successfully docked satellites in the space docking experiment SpaceX mission? The answer is ISRO. Who is the first Indian to join the Axiom 4 mission to the International Space Station? The answer is D. Subhanshu Shukla. Which country launched world's first 10G broadband network? The answer is B. China. Which organization developed the world's highest resolution weather forecasting system known as the India Forecasting System? The answer is D. Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM. France and India collaborated on Deep Ocean mission achieved a record human dive of how many meters in North Atlantic? The answer is A. 5,002 meters. India's first on-track solar panel system was launched in which state? The answer is C. Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. India successfully test fires Agni 5 ballistic missile in. The answer is B. Chandipur, Orissa. Who has been awarded as the Legends of Endoscopy Award 2025? The answer is D. Nageshwar Reddy. Who has been awarded the Stockholm Water Prize 2025? The answer is D. Gunter Bluschel. In which state did ISRO inaugurate its space laboratory? The answer is A. Arunachal Pradesh. India tests its first ever hydrogen train coach in which state? The answer is B. Chennai. First ever ISRO NASA Joint Earth Observation Satellite is launched from. The answer is D. Satish Dhawan Space Center, Sriharikota. Where is India's first bamboo-based biorefinery being inaugurated by PM Modi? The answer is B. Numaligarh, Assam. What is the name of the first made in India 32-bit processor chip presented at Semicon India 2025? The answer is C. Vikram 3201. Which volcano in India experienced a low intensity eruption? The answer is A. Barren Island. Which of the following Agni missile was recently tested from a rail-based mobile launcher? The answer is D. Agni Prime. And the last question is, which state government has created a world's first ceramic waste park named Anokhi Dunya? The answer is C. Uttar Pradesh. Okay, thank you everyone for watching. Keep learning.